Come check out this new listing, the Sound View Estate up in Stanwood. Kayak is right behind us, gorgeous sound view, and this house is massive. It's got 2 kitchens, full mother-in-law apartment downstairs, a wood shop over there. Come check it out. Let's head upstairs and check out the private guest suite. Let's go check out the last level. There's a full kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, washer, dryer, tons of storage, and all kinds of great stuff going on